Hi families, this is Mrs. Knoyer bringing you a video to help you practice your letter names and sounds. Congratulations, because you do not need to use your keywords for this video. You're just going to say the name of the letter and you're going to go straight to the sound it makes, because the goal of this practice session is to develop automaticity and to say letter name to sound in a smooth, rapid manner. So just pull your chair up, take a look at the letter that I am saying on the card and repeat after me. T, t. B, b. F, f. L, l. H, h. K, k. N, n. M, m. I, I. U, R, P, p. J, j. C, k. O, A, G, g. G, g. D, d. S, s. Q, qu. E, Z, z. X, x. Y, y. W, w. V, v. Happy practicing.